What's up, guys? On this episode, I'm gonna teach you how to get Apple TV on your PS5 console. Now, first of all, we need to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the light and we know that's connected. Then we go to media. From media, you can see down there that you have Disney, Hulu, Netflix, and Apple TV. Click on Apple TV, then you click download. Now you're downloading the Apple TV software on your device. So we're gonna wait a few seconds for that to download. Then we're gonna have Apple TV. Exactly. So we have Apple TV on our device, but now we need to connect our Apple account to our Apple TV that's on our device. So we use the QR code on the TV that's been set to connect. Now we take out our phone. We open up the camera on our phone. Open up the camera. You don't need to take a picture. Just open camera. Point the camera to the QR code. Once you point it, it's going to redirect you to a page where you can connect your Apple account to your TV, to your PS5 console. Now you see the Apple account is asking for connection. You sign in. Once that sign in happens, the TV is going to the console will automatically refresh, and it will allow you to sign in your Apple ID into that account. So they're going to tell you you're connected. And once that happens, it's going to tell you the Apple account is connected and the TV is going to refresh. So you see that happen now, and it's refreshing by itself. Then it welcomes you, and now you have your Apple TV on your PS5 console. You can watch anything you want. And that will be all for this tutorial. See ya.